Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the air cabin filters in a 2013 Jaguar XJ. This is for the air cabin filter. This is the air that is being filtered inside of where you're seating. This is not your engine air filter. I get that a lot on these kinds of videos, so I've left a link down below in the description to the actual engine air filter for the V6 version of this car. This is for all the engine types. They don't matter for the interior's sake, so let's jump into it. So to get to our cabin air filter, we're just going to come right here in the passenger side footwell and look straight up there. So on the left side of this felt piece underneath the glove box is this little body clip that we can just kind of pull out. There's one on the right side as well. And to not damage this felt by just, pulling down on it, you can actually rip it. Just take a standard screwdriver or a body clip puller and put it underneath. That'll kind of give you enough leverage to get it off of there. And then this felt piece should be able to just be pulled down and out. And then right here is your cabin air filter. This is the bottom of the housing, and you can just push on this tab right here, and this door should swing down. Oh, gotta do the other side too. There we go. Get that door out of there, and then we can drop the cabin air filter down and away. So grab your new air cabin filter with the little arrow on the bottom of it pointing inward to the car. We can just slide that back up into its home. Link down below in the description to the filter we're using today. There we go. Might have to kind of hold it up there. Then grab the little door, line that up, and just kind of push it in place, and there you go. And then grab our felt piece and just kind of put that back up into its home. It'll kind of sit where it wants to be. Then we can just push that body clip back into its home, just like that. Nice. And then do the same thing for the other one. And those just push right back into their home. And then of course, don't forget the one closest to the driver. There is 3 of them total. That one right there, that one right there, and this one over here. So that is how to change your air cabin filter. Crazy, crazy easy. You take this to a dealer, they're gonna charge you 150 bucks for this easily, and this is something you can definitely do at home in your driveway, no big deal. And you should be doing this every 15 to 30,000 miles, depending on how clean you like the air that you're breathing inside your car. I would do it every 15,000 miles. Thank you so very much for watching. If you found this video helpful or interesting at all, please consider becoming a member by clicking that join button down below. It's a direct way to help my channel out, and I so appreciate it. And we got some awesome membership perks. Barring that, a like, comment, and subscription really help my channel out and tells YouTube that I did a good job. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.